If you desperately wanted to avoid police, you probably would not do what the driver of this car did. Good police work. A dumb move.
A man who is now a suspect in a huge gun theft spotted a police car in front of him on the freeway this afternoon. He kept going slower and slower to avoid passing the cop car, which, of course, alerted the officer that something was going on. News 13's Michael Herzenberg picks it up from there.
State police say this SUV was just traveling too slowly on I-40. An officer ran the plate and the SUV came back stolen. He pulled the driver over on Rio Grande.
It was the argument. They were arguing, that's all I know.
Ramona Zeisiger has lived off Rio Grande for 92 years, but never saw this before.
It's terrible that goings on.
The officer said the driver wouldn't listen to commands. He drew his gun and the suspect took off through this field. The suspect ran east on Lilac, got here to the ditch bank, and then ran north. Neighbors tell police they saw him get into a vehicle that met him there, and investigators believe he may have phoned ahead to plan that while he was getting pulled over. But he dropped something important in the field, a big clue, about the best clue possible. Sources say it was his ID. When APD arrived, detectives knew the man.
My God!
Ramona couldn't believe who he may be. Investigators believe that slow driver used that same stolen SUV when he stole 50 guns and plenty of ammo from a Northeast Heights home Monday. Michael Herzenberg, KRQE News 13.
Police have not released the suspect's name. Sources tell us there were other thieves in on that gun heist, but no arrests have been made yet.